Yeah, yeah. You're right. You're right.
Hmm.
Sir,
First of all, you reduce 7% and everybody is getting 1% of farm payment. So 8% you should directly reduce from utility.
sir, what we did, yes, today also we were seeing some of the bill. So one is load factor, power factor, and
8%
early
everybody
payment.
is getting it.
Okay.
So उसमें क्या है, they have considered 7 rupees 21 paisa. FAC they have not considered.
FAC,
Electricity duty and other charges they have not considered. So FAC is
any compensated
compensated in this
discount.
So 7.21 is the basic.
हाँ, उतना ही आ जाता है.
हाँ उतना ही आ जाता है.
Actually,
7.21.
actually, if you add duty plus tax on sale,
हाँ.
then and if you will reduce
Electricity duty will be added on open access also. There is no rule that why open access electricity duty is not charged. It is on consumption.
Yeah.
How government is implementing that.
It's not being properly implemented.
So viability will be lesser.
See, what we may say, if really you want to do the calculation, probably we can help you if you can send the bill. So your last electricity bill, we can do exact calculation for you. And of course, Mr. Goenka is here. You can take anyway his help. But if somebody wants to connect to us, but these are the broad calculation. It's not that you have to
size.
calculation by taking your own thing. So if somebody is very keen, we can send. But this is saving is definitely there. To the extent of what rebate you are getting, that may vary. And also, if in case you are 5 megawatt plus customer, then you have a RPO which is costing you about 20 paisa more. So that also you have to inbuilt into your calculation. So, but if you are lower than 5 megawatt, today's understanding, probably it's not required. But
They have used composite RPO.
okay.
But if you remove composite RPO,
Hmm.
what happens?
So anyway,
Because people have shown difficulty in using composite RPO. That means solar so much, non-solar so much, like that. So they have raised the difficulty about composite RPO. So what commission said in that para, that on composite RPO will not be applicable below 5 megawatt.
okay,
What does it
okay.
mean now?
So maybe
Clarify from the commission.
okay.
What does it mean?
So these are the impacts of IX on the sector. Different publications.
Take it from MSCDCL that power?
Yeah, yeah.
That I will.
Okay. ओपन एक्सेस कैसे होगा पूरा?
Viability assessment what we have done in open access in different state at 33 kV level, and we have considered the price at 2.5 rupees for the IX and landed cost.
What is the average price after that last year has gone, say, for April?
Last year,
Last year average you have shown.
huh.
What was average price of April?
Yeah, I think it is increased. As compared to last year, this year April was higher than last year. The reason was that this year, last year actually there were summer rains throughout the country. This year actually the temperature is much higher. Yeah, so maybe currently it is 250 to 260. Last year it was 240 or something. And this only tells you that if you have units in other states also, then you can take benefit in other states. You can think of doing that. So other states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, then DND, that Daman and Diu, Karnataka. These are the states where still there is a scope, better scope. But of course there are other states where less scope, but it always is beneficial.
Normally, which are the months in which the prices are lowest?
See, normally you have lowest prices in October onwards. So June to September normally is a peak period. Even April, May is not very peak. But this year, April, May is more severe. But even after being more severe, the prices are lower as compared to last year. Of course, April prices were higher, but they are not very high. But last year, what happened in September, prices were highest. The reason was there was no rains for a lot of time, humidity was high, hydro was not there. So all these factors sometimes compound and then prices are increasing. But overall average price, if you see for the year, it was about 250.
Consumers should watch the prices of the exchanges. When prices are lowest, they can change the option. Option will be with the consumer. They can either opt from MSCDCL or from, because it is a day-ahead market.
But as you said, 9 months in a year, definitely it makes a case. Maybe 3 months you can be doubtful from May, June, July, and August maximum. But other parts of the year, definitely, because winter is the leanest season, because most of the part of the country there is no heating, no cooling required, and rainy season is anyway a low demand period. Only in summer,
Average price of night hours, only night hours.
I don't know whether it is there. देखो,
Only night hours average price.
अच्छा नहीं है, नहीं है,
नहीं,
नहीं है.
Very important.
Very important. Yeah, but that is at least 50% less.
Not, I think much less than that.
But because in summer, night prices are going up. Nowadays, there is a different pattern. In northern part of the country, night prices are now more than day prices. Because of prosperity, more ACs have come. So generally, people when they go for work, they may not be using AC sometimes. But when they come back in the night, definitely everybody uses cooler and AC. So this is now pushing up the demand in the night hour in the summer.
1 rupees 72 paisa night. Right. Night hours. This one.
See, till the time our law is same that you have a federal structure where states are allowed to make their own laws in case of power, this differential will be there. No. Next.
I think the other questions can be covered during question answer session. I would like to invite Tina.
You can tell about what are the options for trading.
How you can get registered at IEX, that is, you have to select the member, that there are our members are there on exchange, those who trade on your behalf and they bid on your behalf on exchange, so that you can select. There are number of traders, those who are attending here also, they are also in this.
नहीं, नागपुर में नहीं है, पर बॉम्बे में है. How many traders are here? Please raise hands, and they can stand also. People can see. Oh, good. So these are our family members, like exchange. They actually we have. You are also there. So no, these people are actually facilitating transaction. Yeah, on your own. No, these people are facilitating transaction on your behalf. It is like in the stock exchange you have brokers and then they have clients. These are our brokers who can facilitate transaction on your behalf. So they can help you getting standing clearance, they can help you suggesting what bids are to be placed and how you should proceed, and if there is any help required to taking NOC, they will be.
Name of your company you can just.
Yeah. Oh, good. Oh, very good. So 7 members are there. It is good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I'm Aloni from PV Textiles Limited. If we buy power from power exchange at 2 rupees 50 paisa at 33, what could be my landed cost? And another my question, what could be the status of my contract demand with MSCDCL?
That will come.
I am facing problem now. They are charging us 50% of the contract demand, whereas their demand is hardly 20%. 80% I am buying all open.
Aloni ji, his
Hmm. Next session.
Yeah. Sir, we were, so I think projection system you
Sir, you
need
can come
better.
here, that,
नहीं बस सबके लिए प्रॉब्लम है.
We will share PPT with everyone.
अच्छा, इसमें जस्ट जल्दी उसको कवर कर लो. बेसिकली इसमें हम बोल रहे हैं कि आपका जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है फॉर गेटिंग एनी क्लियरेंस फ्रॉम द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंपनी इज दैट यू शुड हैव मीटर्स इन प्लेस, ABT meter, which is 15-minute time block metering system, and secondly you should have enough capacities. They should be there in the network. So normally when you have a contract demand, there is enough capacity. So there are not many times any reason. If you have, only thing you have to put is meter should be there. And then taking as a clearance from state load dispatch center, it is also, it will be covered in the next thing. And then you can exchange, come through, register through the exchange. So this is all what is required when you want to do transaction. I think this is all. And then next to the slide, no, next to that. So these are also some ways you can connect to exchange. We are on Twitter. We are also having a monthly bulletin where we publicize what is happening in the market. Any market related information is there on the bulletin. So you can register with the exchange. You will get monthly bulletin on the soft copy. If you want hard copy, that also can be done. And then we have a daily SMS on your prices. So if you want to get daily SMS, you can just again register through the website. And then there is a mobile application. So you can also see our application. Today, recently, Ministry of Power has launched a mobile application where they are displaying prices for different states. Actually, they are displaying our prices on their mobile app. So you can click Maharashtra there. There is a India map, and then you can click the Maharashtra map, and you will see the prices, which is current prices. So I think we can close now.
Thank you, sir. I would like to invite T.N. Agarwal, sir, for the next session. He will cover the all regulatory and distribution open access, what has been now on 30th March that has been issued by MERC. Welcome, sir.
Good evening to all. Respected Praveen Tapadia sir, Shri R.B. Goenka ji, Mr. Pankaj Bakshi, Mr. Rajesh Meridetta, and members from the industries. So I am going to cover here the open access regulations what have been published by MERC on 30th of March 2016, sorry. So we'll see about the brief about the previous regulations basically. Earlier the distribution open access regulation 2005 were published, and the MERC allowed open access through power exchange till 31st of March 2014. Basically, if you see the regulation 2005, there was no mention about the power exchange, because power exchanges came in existence from 2007 onwards. So regulations were prior to that. So at that time, the distribution company was very much reluctant to give the permission for open access through power exchanges. But some of the industries filed the petition with the MERC, and then chairman of the commission, Mr. V.P. Raja, in the year 2013 allowed power through exchange on the basis of Electricity Act. And the MERC gave the order, and MSEDCL issued the permission to the 7 industries. And then Mr. V.P. Raja retired in September 2013, and after that the new chairperson joined the commission, but the Commission thereafter did not renew the open access permission through exchange after 31st of March 2014. So then many people represented, and the new open access regulations 2014 published in June 2014. And in that, the week ahead transaction through power exchange was allowed. Day ahead was not allowed in that regulation, and there was no scope for day ahead, and not a single consumer could start the power trading after 1st March 2014 based on the new regulation of 2014. And power trading in Maharashtra was totally standstill through power exchange. And hence some of the industries, those 7 industries basically enjoyed the power through power exchange prior to March 2014, took the initiative, and these are the 7 industries basically. UP Tiga Fiberglass Ambernath, Videocon from Aurangabad, Piaggio Vehicles from Baramati, Jindal Polyfilm Nasik, then Nagrika Export Kolhapur, Jawahar Shetkari, Sahkari Sugirni Dhule, and KTS Engineers Private, it is my own company. And we took the support of the Indian Energy Exchange, and we came together on 21st of May 2015 at World Trade Center, and we had a first meeting with the chairperson of MERC on 21st of May 2015. So these are the core members of those 7 industries. They took the appointment with the member and submitted our presentation to the Commission. On that day, the letter to MERC sent to the industries in April 2015 for amendment of Open Access Regulation 2014. Then highlighted our regulation deficiencies during the public hearing for fixation of tariff conducted by MERC at Vashi on 17th of March 2015, Nasik on 1st April 2015, and Aurangabad on 6th April 2015. Then this group met with the chairperson on 21st May, that I told you earlier also, and discussed the difficulties of trading through energy exchange. The MERC advised to submit the data of other state on day-ahead transaction, which is allowed in other state. Then all necessary data provided by IEX submitted with the joint signature of these 7 industries to MERC on 10th of June 2015. Then thereafter the MERC published the draft Open Access Regulation 2014-15 on 16/9/2015. See, after 1 year, immediately they published the draft Open Access Regulation when they heard that the people are facing difficulties in the Maharashtra. And then we had a meeting at Nasik to submit the comments on behalf of the industries on the draft regulations on 30th of September 2015, and we submitted the comments to MERC with joint signature of about 20 industries. All other industries also joined on 7th of October 2015. Yes, sir. We are now, the next slide is, yes. So after say 2 years, the regulations were revised, and these 2016 regulations published on 30th of March 2016. And we'll see the important definitions of these regulations. These are very important. If you see, the bilateral transactions means a transaction for exchange of energy between a specified buyer and specified seller directly or through trading license, or power exchange for a fixed or varying quantum of power for any time period. So power exchange is also added here in new definition of the transactions. Then the important definition is a billing demand. There was a question from one member. The billing demand for the purpose of these regulations in respect of the partial open access consumer will be higher of the following. Actual maximum demand recorded less open access demand availed by partial open access consumer. Yes, sir.
Not definition of billing demand.
So that will be covering in the next slides also. So this is about the billing demand, that they have to retain the open access portion and they have to reduce your billing demand with MSEDCL.
I will answer your question. Now the price lies with the consumer. If you are not reducing maintain the demand even if you got open access. Right? Earlier there was no choice. Automatically it was with you. Now it is with your choice.
One thing that was given in the electricity bill, because the bill has been published by electricity bill yesterday. Even if you have submitted the letter to electricity for continuously one to follow the contract demand, the contract demand was not followed. As the contract demand was maintained, and they are charging base demand basically 50% of the contracted 50% of the
Contracted volume, total.
So what after discussing with MSEDCL, they are saying कि हम लोग इस इंटरफेस कैसे रेगुलेशन इसीलिए we have asked for that letter, but that letter we haven't taken into consideration. So practically the effect of temporary tariff will no longer be applicable for the consumers in Maharashtra, and also simultaneously demand side benefit will not be applicable for the consumers.
In case he doesn't reduce his demand.
Sir, first month they had taken the letter for a choice with the consumer, but what they said, what he is saying is correctly, because I also had a discussion with the superintending engineer commercial. What he said, we had earlier interpreted that the consumer has a choice, but now we have decided that we are not going to reduce the contract demand of the consumer. Even though we have taken the letter, we are not going to implement. Yes, sir, but they are done like that only in this month. Yes, sir.
You tell me specific cases, in which cases they are not allowed. You tell me all those cases. I will do it.
एक यूनिट की डिमांड है 7,750 6 मेगावाट ओपन एक्सेस बाकी की 1750
Yes.
they are giving me for 7,750
का 50%.
राइट तो मैं 6,000 भी ओपन अवेल कर सकता हूँ और कैन आई अवेल अप टू उनकी 3,000 जो भी होती होगी तो मैं क्या
आपको ओपन एक्सेस की एप्लीकेशन के साथ में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डिमांड रिडक्शन की एप्लीकेशन भी देना है.
सर अगर एक बार रिडक्शन अगर हम करते हैं मान लीजिए
उस एप्लीकेशन में ही डालना, उस एप्लीकेशन में डालना दिस इज रिडक्शन इज स्टिल यू हैव गॉट ओपन एक्सेस जब तक आपने एनओसी दिया. वंस एनओसी इज एग्जॉस्टेड और डिमांड शुड ऑटोमेटिकली भी इंक्रीज. और उसके सुनी लीजिए, जिस समय आपका ओपन एक्सेस खत्म हुआ उस दिन दूसरा लेटर और दे दीजिए कि फ्रॉम टुमारो वी वांट आवर फुल डिमांड ऑफ. आप ये काम करिए.
सर ये काम किया था लोगों ने सबने, but in spite of that, for all 100% open access consumer, they have issued the bill of April 2016 with 50% वर्क दिया है उन्होंने. ये अभी लेना पड़ेगा उनके साथ.
और एक इशू जो फेस किया है इंडस्ट्री, ऑल द इंडस्ट्रीज इन महाराष्ट्र इन विच इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट ये
Transmission.
transaction right that MURNDC already charges transmission charges at the initial of the month on regional periphery quantum. Now what MSEDCL has done, MSEDCL has also charged the transmission charge on the scheduled capacity. So there is dual charges of transmission charge. Now when I have asked MSEDCL person that it's a refund that कोई तो एक पार्टी डिमांड करेंगे तो इधर WRNDC और you should refund. So MSEDCL बोलते हैं it should be finally decided in the procedure as well.
This issue I have already taken up your meeting with transmission company and they are issuing a guideline to refund those charges. That will be refunded to you, don't worry.
Refunded to the
Consumers. Refunded to the consumers.
आज की डेट में तो हम लोग डबल भर रहे हैं सर. We are saying
नहीं वो वापस तो आएगा ही.
So this will be a problem for this month. I think अगले महीने से वो रेगुलराइज होना चाहिए. So उसमें सेकंड ऑप्शन था 50% ऑफ द रिटर्न कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डिमांड विद द लाइसेंस चार्ज करना चाहिए, बट दे हैव चार्ज यू ऑफ द फुल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डिमांड. दैट इज बेसिकली रॉन्ग. क्योंकि रेगुलेशन में उन्होंने दिया हुआ है कि 50% ऑफ द रिटर्न लगाना है बेसिकली इन बिलिंग डिमांड में.
what they are given for the revision. It's on the consumer if they want to revise their contract demand. So what they have said that initially that written contract demand was equal to actual contract demand minus open access quantum. So now onwards the written contract demand will be equal to the actual contract demand.
But this billing demand definition is there.
Regulation says they can revise the contract demand as per SOP regulation, as per supply code regulation. And as per those regulations, you have to give application for reduction. Earlier it was not required. Now you have to give the application along with the open access application.
But sir, they have considered that carefully during the tender committee.
So if you have not given the application for reduction, they will charge for tolling.
Applications were given by everybody.
We have given the consumer
But that has not been considered, sir. That is, they will be considered definitely, but they are missed in this billing system. हाँ वो दे देते सर. हाँ, but they are not considered. वो cases भेज देंगे because April month you have got. Yes. The next definition is the.
अब तो उनको मालूम है कि आप प्रेशर डाल सकते हैं, जहाँ प्रेशर उनको.
Collective transaction means set of transaction discovered in power exchange through anonymous simultaneous competitive bidding by the buyers and sellers. So, no, all many are also specifically are. Yes. This agreement will not cover. It is almost same है. Partial open access consumer का भी definition वही है. And the pooled cost जो power purchase है, it is basically related with the banking of the solar power है, उसके लिए है basically. This is also same what was earlier this pool power cost. So this also I will skip. And the supplier में जो last definition था, उसमें the power exchange was not covered. In the definition of the supplier means generating company and power exchange or licensee. So power exchange has been covered in the supplier definition of new power open access regulations. अभी इसमें चलते अपन eligibility criteria is same 1 megawatt what was earlier. Now here the multiple open access source are now allowed. It was not earlier. अभी multiple में eligibility है subject to provision of this regulation. A consumer having contract demand of 1 megawatt and above with distribution license shall be eligible for open access for obtaining supply of electricity from one or more. इसमें sources दिए हुए देखिए. Generating plant or stations including captive generating plants, trading licenses, then power exchanges, other distribution licensee or any other sources or combination thereof and all collectively called sources. So multiple open access भी ले सकते हो आप, bilateral plus exchange ऐसा भी ले सकते हो. आपको partially लेना है 1 megawatt उधर से लीजिए 1 megawatt exchange से लीजिए. So that is now permitted in this new open access regulations. So this is a major change has been effected. Maximum demand का तो वही है, उसमें कोई change नहीं है. Basically 70% more than 70% should be more than or 70% threshold level at which consumer has become eligible for open access. जैसे 1 megawatt अगर आप लेते हो 1 megawatt equal to 7,20,000 units होता है, उसका 70% आता है almost 5 lakh units per month. तो उतना आपको open access लेना है in 1 month. अगर आप नहीं लेते तो दे में charge you double the wheeling charges. Wheeling charges 33 को आज 15 पैसा है तो it will become 30 पैसा. So that is only penalty in case if you draw less than 70% of the power. Because in exchange you have the facility to bid the each financial year में है. Yes. In for the financial year or part thereof. Yes, sir. Now section 4 for processing of open access application for distribution open access. This is very important and MSCDCL has not followed so far. Application to be made to the nodal agency as per format of Annexure 1. The distribution company is to issue procedure within 30 days on issue of regulations. अभी regulation issue है 45 days हो गया है, but they have not issued the procedure. And in case if procedure is not issued, the old procedure to follow to commence the open access. So they are following the for bilateral old procedure, but for power through exchange they are not yet implemented the procedure or not they are issued the procedure. अभी revision of contract demand is as per the जो गोयनका साहब ने बताया as per the SOP है, there is no change in that. Revision of contract demand you have to apply to circle office for change for increase or decrease. With this reduction of CD, this is very important. Reduction of CD in case of partial open access